I'm Suborna Ahmed. I'm a lecturer in the Forest Resources Management in UBC. We understand that in-class teaching and online is different. That's why we actually change our teaching method, change our support system, and we try to be more flexible and make ourselves available. We actually create videos so that we can make it available for students ahead of time. So that means all the lab session, all the lectures, everything will be recorded and they will have access to them right away, wherever they are, in whatever time zone they are. So I gave them that flexibility to talk to me if they don't understand any material. It's not just me, our TAs are available and other students also jump in. They actually help each other.
Forestry profs will give you the best education possible in an online environment, and you can just reach out for support.
Students are, at first they were feeling they are sitting alone, but they are not alone. We are with them, our TAs are with them, also their peers are with them.